Hi, it's Jennifer Thomas with the Metalios Group in Greenwich, Connecticut. I'm here at our new listing, 6 Wyndover Lane in Cos Cob. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home that is completely done inside and out. So if you're looking for a like-new home where you can just move in and enjoy the house, this is definitely a must-see. So come on in, I'll give you a tour. The open floor plan is perfect for today's lifestyle, and there is no shortage of natural light with all of the oversized windows. Six Wyndover has so many features that you can't see in this video. It has a whole house generator, smart features such as Nest thermostats, and garage doors that you can operate with your cell phone. There are so many other features that I would love to show you. Contact me for your private showing.